So underway in the C2 women's 500-meter final. The top two will go to Tokyo. Well, you can hear the screams of arriba, arriba. And certainly Spain don't mind about being greedy, having already snappled up a further 3 spots, but looking to a boat with the average age of just 39. Akome, the elder at 21, alongside her teenage compatriot, the 18-year-old Otero. They've got prior together. They finished with gold here just months ago, and the only World Cup meet of 2020. But it's the Moldovans who have just blasted through and really putting the cat among the pigeons. Daniela Cosio and Maria Olarosu. And suddenly it's them who are setting the pace. Well, a good boat length for the Moldovan pair. Certainly strong rhythm. And the split time showed them in a good spot, but now trying to hold off the Russian team of Kurach and Kaniazeva. So far managing it, but it can change so quickly. The Russians just edging slowly but surely, but have they enough time left? Is there enough water left? Moldova desperately trying to cling on as they try and earn that first Olympic spot. Remember, the top 2 will go through, and it's Moldova who do it as winners, followed by the Russians, and squeals of ecstasy. Well, not hiding their emotions, and why should they? An absolutely stunning moment. Spain started strongly, but then Moldova just absolutely blew the field away. Well, a stunning achievement for the Moldovan pair of Cosio and Olarasu. Incredibly, Moldova, they've only won 5 medals ever, but the first one was silver in Atlanta 1996. That was in the men's C2 500 meters. Well, they may not know if they can battle for a medal, but they've earned the opportunity to try and live up to the memory of Jurevski, Victor Renetsky, as they earn a first spot for Moldova.
You have a ticket for Tokyo. How do you feel?
Да, да. Мы очень счастливы, очень прям, и все. Мы благодарны всем тому, которые в нас верили. И спасибо тренеру.
We are very, very happy. Thank you so much, our coach, and to everybody who... Congratulations, well done.
Well, a huge achievement for the Moldovan pair.